February 22nd, words. Practice saying the words each day. Homework. Write the words in your notebook. Bring them to school tomorrow, Wednesday. Who? Am. It's. Now. Day. Did. Get. Come. Made. New. Read the words every day. Write the words for homework. I'm going to read the words again. Who? Am. It's. Now. Day. Did. Get. Come. Made. New. Write the words in your notebook and bring them to school tomorrow, Wednesday.